Hello everyone, welcome to my channel SS Solutions. In my today's this video, I will show you how you can fix the mic problem in your device OPPO A37. So if in this device, if you are having any problem related to the mic, like your mic is not working on the calls are not working for recording, you can fix it by following few steps. So before we start it, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Follow the steps, watch the video, and you will learn how you can fix the mic problem in your device OPPO A37. Let's watch the video and fix the issue.